Hello, today I want to share with you this baby bottle dishwasher machine, but first I want to give a shout out to the brand for sending it to me in exchange for sharing my thoughts with you. So to preface, I'm a mom of 5 with one on the way, so I've definitely had my fair share of working with baby bottles, breast milk pump parts, even like silverware, stuff like that. And I can definitely see how something like this would be very, very handy in making sure that all those little products, all those little pieces are sanitized. Sure, if you have a dishwasher in your house, you could always use that, and that does work, but also just needing to keep up with all those little tiny parts. Sometimes there's a lot of parts to bottles or breast pump parts or little spoons and whatnot, and they can get lost or dropped through the cracks of your dishwasher. So having something like this, I can see is very, very handy, regardless of whether you have a dishwasher or you wash your dishes by hand. Something about using something to drink out of, like even like water bottles, that reusable water bottles. In theory, you might think it doesn't necessarily need to be cleaned all the time, but even those can get pretty nasty if you're not actually cleaning them as you should be. And so especially with something that has milk in it, you want to make sure those parts are getting sterilized and clean. So having something like this is very helpful in doing that. This is actually kind of like a mini dishwasher, but for baby parts. So you will fill this up with the distilled water. Up here, you will just simply take this off. There's even this rack here. And down here is where you will actually put your bottles and some of the bigger parts of the bottle. For all your small parts, you will actually use this little rack here and set everything you need on here. And when you have the lid on, there's still plenty of headspace, so you can put the lid on properly and it fits just fine. Once you have everything in here that you need, all you need is a simple dishwasher tablet like these. This is the brand Grownsy, has their own tablets that you can buy. This box has 130 of those tablets. All you need is one per wash, and you just simply put it in the bottom right there. So once you have this loaded up with what you need, you have the water in there, you can go ahead and press start and get it running. It will tell you if it's lacking water. It will tell you the different settings. You can go fast or standard. You can have it on this sterilization, the drying, or the drying setting. You can also start and stop it right there. There is a very, very important feature. So, because this is an actual dishwasher, means it's going to need to drain that water, right? That dirty water from this container in the back once it washes through. You have this tube that comes with it. And this does almost seem a little intimidating, but I promise you it's not. All you need is some sort of, you can use a bucket, or if it works well close to your sink, obviously being careful because this is electric, you could just drain this right into your sink and you'd be just fine. And then at the end of it all, you have sterilized, clean baby parts to bottles, breast pumps, whatever, right? If you're interested in getting one of these baby bottle dishwasher machines, this is really actually kind of fantastic. So 10 out of 10, I highly recommend. Real quick, I just wanted to pop on here and say, if you're watching this video, this review video from my YouTube channel, there is a coupon code that the company Grownsy has sent me. If you're watching this video within the time frame of when they are running this promotion, you can use the coupon code that I'm putting down in the description and help get some percentage off at checkout.